Hey, it's Jason Harning here, and if you're struggling to get the good enough conversion within your funnel so that you can make paid ads profitable, you're definitely in the right place. And you really can't afford to waste any time. Why? Because if you've got a funnel that isn't converting high enough and you're spending money on your ads, all you might as well be doing is just burning that money away. Because here's the thing, a lot of people in the industry believe that just because they have a funnel or they have a certain type of funnel, then that means that they can put any type of product or any offer and they can put any copy on pages within that funnel. And if they just send ads to it, then it's guaranteed to make money. And it never, ever, ever works that way. Any funnel model can work, but you have to have the right strategy and optimization process that you go through to make changes to the words, the images, the elements, and design of all the parts of the marketing funnel in order to engineer the numbers to get great conversion. It's simply not good enough to just put a marketing funnel up. And so if you're struggling with conversions and you have no idea what to do to optimize, then you're going to be in a situation where you're never going to make ads profitable. And if that's how you're relying on growing your business, you're in a precarious place.